If you're looking for the best torque wrenches to buy in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be covering the top 5 torque wrenches that offer durability, precision, and ease of use. Perfect whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional. We've considered features, build quality, accuracy, and genuine customer feedback to bring you this list. All product links are in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 1, EPAuto 1/4 inch drive. Click torque wrench. The EPAuto 1/4 inch drive. Click torque wrench is a simple yet reliable tool for smaller torque applications. It features a durable ratchet head made from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy with a corrosion-resistant satin finish. You also get a non-slip knurled handle for comfort and grip. The torque scale is high contrast and dual range, making it easy to read in different light conditions. Plus, it comes pre-calibrated to plus 4% accuracy. When the preset torque value is reached, you'll hear and feel a distinct click, so you know when to stop applying force. It also comes with a sturdy plastic storage case for convenience. This wrench is perfect for precision work on motorcycles, bikes, and smaller bolts. Number 2, industrial brand CDI 2503 MFRPH 1/2 inch drive. Next, we have the CDI 2503 MFRPH 1/2 inch drive. Micrometer adjustable torque wrench, a professional grade option built for serious use. It offers a torque range of 30 to 250 feet lbs, 47 to 332 nm, with plus to 4% clockwise and plus 6% counterclockwise accuracy. Each wrench comes with a certificate of calibration traceable to NIST, ensuring precise performance. The laser marked scales are easy to read, and the quick release button allows secure socket retention and fast changes. At 24 inches long, it provides excellent leverage, and the spring-loaded lock ring ensures your torque setting stays in place. Proudly made in the USA, this torque wrench meets or exceeds ASME and ISO 67009 standards, making it one of the most rugged and reliable wrenches for professionals. Number 3, NACO Pro 03707B38 torque wrench. If you need something compact and versatile, the NACO Pro 03707B is a great choice. It's a 3/8 inch drive torque wrench with a range of 15 to 80 feet lbs, perfect for medium-duty applications like smaller cars and light trucks. Built from chrome vanadium steel, it provides toughness and long-term durability. This wrench is factory tested and calibrated to plus 4% accuracy, ensuring you don't over-tighten your bolts. At 14 inches long, it offers good leverage for tough bolts, and it includes a blow-molded ABS storage case with a key and lock for security. A solid mid-range option for DIYers and professionals alike. Number 4, Park Tool Ratcheting Click Type Torque Wrench. For bicycle enthusiasts and those working with smaller fasteners, the Park Tool Ratcheting Click Type Torque Wrench is a fantastic option. It features a torque range of 2 to 14 nm, 18 to 124 in lbs, making it ideal for lightweight applications. This wrench adjusts in 0.4 mm increments and works for both left-hand and right-hand threading. Its dial adjust system allows you to preset torque with ease, and the conversion scale is printed right on the tool body. At just 9 inches long, it's compact, precise, and calibrated to plus 4% accuracy. Perfect for bikes, carbon components, and other delicate jobs. Number 5, Tecton 1/2 inch drive micrometer torque wrench. Finally, we have the Tecton 1/2 inch drive micrometer torque wrench, a great all-around tool at an affordable price. This wrench features a dual range high contrast scale that's permanently marked for easy reading, even in low light. It emits a clear click when the preset torque is reached, so you don't risk over tightening. The reversible ratchet head works in both directions, though torque measurement is only in the clockwise direction. Built entirely from steel with no plastic parts, it's extremely durable and long-lasting. It comes pre-calibrated to +4% accuracy and includes a protective storage case and torque conversion chart. A dependable option for anyone who wants accuracy without breaking the bank. And that's our list of the best torque wrenches to buy in 2025. From budget-friendly picks like the EPAuto and Tecton to professional grade options like the CDI, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're maintaining a bicycle, working on your car, or doing heavy-duty jobs in the garage. All product links are listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.